Everyone, this is Kikipo Vlogs. If you're new actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Again, gawin natin yung reaction video on Barda compilation because why not? So I won't say it any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Tapos na tayo sa mga TikTok nila na inanalyze natin yung mga pagpisil ni David Icao kay Barbie for test for the video. Ang pisil talaga ang nagdala. Akala nyo hindi namin makikita nyo. Akala nyo hindi namin makikita yun? Jeez. Akala nyo, Barda, hindi namin makikita yun. Kami pa ba? Kami pa ba? Anyways, ito yung ano, wait lang. May aayusin lang ako. Diba? Barda is real talaga. Jeez. Wala man confirmation na sila, pero I can really feel na may something special. Ay, ito. The guessing that wasn't loud but felt. No. Bakla. Surprise. Gusto mo ba? Ay?
7 months
weeks later.
since I last acted.
Soft, like a soft promise fulfilled. Indeed. Pero I just wanna know kung, really wanna know kung tatagal ba talaga dito si what do you call this? Si David. Creation Studio posted the moment when caption that says more than it seems. Bumisita, a simple word, almost harmless. Pero yung kasunod na tanong biglang naging personal, not just about the show, but about someone. As if this wasn't just a cameo, but quite pagdalaw meant a certain person. Indeed, kasi ang nakita doon, nakita ko yun yung post yung parang ang sinabi doon, may nagbisita or may binisita. Ganun yun I mean, kung walang something, bakit pati yung management and everything nakiki-Barda na din? Minsisiuhaw din sila sa Barda. And minsisi kung anong nararamdaman natin, nararamdaman din nila. Right? Tama ba ako? Wait. Then came, wait.
I'm working with Barbie again.
Working with Barbie again. Wait, bumisita isa yung pag-word. Wait lang. May i-edit lang ako dito. Kailangan ko to siyang i-edit for today's video kasi ayokong magkamali ako for today's video kasi perfect ako Cheers. Mami, perfect ako. Perfect ako talaga, promise. Bumisita si Power. Pero yung kasunod na tanong, ayan na nga David Icao bumisita or may specials? May special someone bang binibisita? I mean, wait, hindi ko napansin na may special someone pala kasi kanina bumubula na yung bibig ko. Pwede namang sinabi na may bumisita or may binisita. Nakakakilig naman yun yung may binisita. Pero yung sabihin mong may special someone bang binisita, parang alam mo yung masyadong emphasized. Alam mo yung masyadong emphasized na parang, oo, it's a form of question, pero masyadong emphasized, may binisitang special someone. Kasi iba yun may binisita or may binisita. Iba yun You can visit a friend or bumisita. You can visit or you can visit a friend or you can visit someone. Pero special someone bang binisita? The word special someone. Hindi ko to nakita kanina na may special someone. Anyways, but about someone, as if this wasn't a cameo meant for a certain person, indeed. Then came out to the separate Universal Records label reposted a clip too. Oh my God, ang Universal Philippines. So meaning to say, oh my God, parang alam ko na kung sino, nangangayo ang balahibo ko. Parang alam ko na kung sino yung leading lady ni kung sino yung bibida sa I Think I Love You. Siyempre, sino pa ba? Hello, it's Barbie. Diba? Parang may sinasabi lang, this moment matters. Even no one saying it out loud. Barda Nation felt it because sometimes a visit says, wait, ang galing talaga ni Mommy Nerds. Ang galing talaga ni Mami Nice. More than any statement, it is more than any statement. Wait, sometimes it's not about saan ka nagpakita, but kanino ka nagpakita. Oh my God, you're so brainy, Mommy Nars. I love you so much. I really love you so much. Nandito ako para sa'yo because in love and being the simplest gesture can mean, nandito ako para sa'yo. O, tinan mo nga. Mga ganito ang illustration. Di mas matalino sa akin to. Feeling ko nga registered nurse to kasi Mom Nars ang kanyang pangalan. Mas matalino sa akin to. Kasi the way pa lang siya mag-English. Oh. Pero although hindi masukatan yung katalino sa pag-English, pero the way siya mag-analyze, the way siya maglahad ng kanyang cards, halatang matalino si Mom Nars. Diba? And when they together, their smile says it all. There's a glow. Charis! Even in a simple beso, a shared lap, or just sitting close during interviews. Charis! Hindi mo kaya. Iba yung aura nila, but it feels like in real no one needs for words because ramdam mo. Ramdam mo ang alin. Ramdam mo ang alin. For today's video, no one words. Just warm Barbie. Because actually this feeling because Barbie, even the tiniest touch feels intentional. Atake. Atake sila for today's video. Wait lang, panoorin natin without pauses. Okay, ang ganda kasi nito eh. Deserve to eh. Yung ganitong deserve to i-promote. Follow Ma'am Nars, ha? Follow niyo si Ma'am Nars kasi positive yung dala niya. Depende sa'yo.
7 months.
Charotero ka talaga dito. Charis. Love it.
Makes me excited actually. And also, obviously, I'm working with Barbie again.
Okay. Okay. Ay, atake. Kilig na kilig ako sa caption ni Mom Nars. Nakakainis. Nakakainis for today's video. I love you. There's a glow. Even as simple as just sitting. Iba yung aura. Iba talaga nga yung aura. Parang nabanggit ko to sa reaction video ko kanina. Yung pangalawa or pangatlo kong in-upload. Parang nasabi ko talaga na parang, nakikita din naman natin si Barbie na what you call this, una akong gumawa ng reaction video na yun. Medyo hindi ko pa ito napanood. Mostly kasi sa ginagawa ko reaction video, hindi ko talaga napanood. Pero nasabi ko talaga yung kanina, parang iba nga yung aura dito ni Barbie. Parang nakita din naman natin na si Barbie, may mga pictures and tapings sa Beauty Empire. Pero iba yung aura niya dito, actually. Diba? Ganda naman ito. Ang gwapo niya ginawa dyan. Ang kamay talaga. Naman placement kasi talaga. Even the tiniest touch feels intentional. Diba? Ito yung sila. Oh my God, great mind thinks alike. Mami Nars, paras tayo. Yung pala sa yung mga maliliit na details, kailangan natin napapansin yan for today's video. I really don't know kung napansin ni Mom Nars yung pagkurot ni Ginoo dito kay Barbie. I really don't know. But anyways, that's just all for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!